welcome. This is how to fix it when messages are not showing up on iPhone. So guys, one thing that you should consider is make sure your phone is not on Do Not Disturb. To check it out, you could just simply go to your control center. And now from here, as you can see, you will have an option over here, do not disturb. So make sure your phone is on something like a focus and make sure to turn off do not disturb. And now that should fix the issue. If it doesn't, you could just simply go through the settings into your phone, guys. Here on the settings, you could just simply go for the notifications. Now here on the notifications, you just simply go for the messages and make sure to allow notifications. And down below, you should be able to see multiple options to customize the notification itself. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.